Hi guys, so I just thought I'd share with you a really easy way to dry flowers to use in your craft projects. I don't use a flower press or anything like that, and these are the results you can get. So that's just some leaves off the tree out the back, little flowers from the garden. Mostly I dry weeds because that's all we seem to grow, but they all turn out really pretty. These ones are proper flowers though. This one, it's really delicate though. It's really paper thin. Look how beautiful that is. It's translucent. There's nothing, no sealers or anything on these. These are straight out of the book that I've dried them in. So what I just do, I just get a regular old hardcover book. Everyone's got access to these, so it's nice and easy. Like go to an op shop, you know, you can get them for 50 cents and stuff. And all I do, I just go out the backyard, I pick a whole bunch of random weeds, leaves, flowers, grasses, whatever you find. Once they're dried, they all turn out really pretty anyway, so it doesn't really matter if it's a weed or a proper flower or anything. They all turn out really pretty. So I'll just show you. This is actually some that I've thrown in quite a while ago. I'll just give you a peek in there. I just pretty much pick a whole bunch and shove them in pages at random. I don't know if you can see that. Zoom in a bit. So like for example, this one's a weed. But look how pretty that turned out. These ones are gorgeous. This is off a tree out our backyard. It only flowers once a year. These. Really gorgeous. This one, the plant was the flower was a bit thicker. The stem was a bit thicker, so it takes a lot longer to dry. But all I do, pick a whole bunch, chuck them in the book at random, leave them a while. See, that's even some grass seed. You know, when the grass grows too long and it goes to seed. But look how gorgeous it is. So I just pick a whole bunch, chuck them in randomly, skip a few pages. There's no system to it. Then when you need them, just pull. They'll fall off. They don't stick to the page. And what I do, I have a couple of books going at once because I like to leave my flowers in there for quite a while. I can chuck them aside for 6 months even. I think the drier they are, the better. But I have a couple of books going at once. This one I might have already emptied. See, that's a weed. That's those, what are they? Dandelions. These little guys. Look how cute he is. Isn't he gorgeous? He may be a weed, but he wants to be something. Yeah, I've used most out of these. So I just have a few books going at one time, pile them all up. And then, actually, do I have any in this one? Oh, this one I've just got leaves. Look how gorgeous those are. These ones have been drying for probably 9 months, but they still smell like you know, the beautiful leaf. It's got a kind of a gum tree smell to it. And the green is still really vibrant. It's kept its colour really well. So I did a whole bunch of those. So I just fill books, pile them up, then... Sorry, I can't move my camera because my setup is really bad. I'll show you that one day. But I pile my books, I put them on the floor, and then I've just got this ginormous roll of twine. Oh goodness, this will take me like a lifetime to use. This is after I've already used heaps of it. Anyway, it's this ginormous 50-pound ball of twine, and it's really heavy. And I just put that on top of my books, on the floor, under my desk, and then leave them for 6 months. And I just have a few books going. You know, once I've used all the flowers out of this one, I'll fill it up, and then I just put it at the bottom and then keep using the book from the top. So this is actually one that I forgot about. It was shoved away somewhere in a drawer, and I used to write the dates and what they were. So this one was October 15, strawberry. So little strawberry flower and leaves. But I don't do that anymore because a lot of the stuff I pick, I don't even know what they are. I can't identify. So I just, I've just been shoving them in without writing what they are. And that's it. That's my little system. But you don't need to buy a flower press. Just shove them in a book like I do, and they turn out really, really pretty. These are some that I've pulled out of the book this morning to use in a little project that I'm working on, making some stuff for my Etsy store. And I'll share those with you in another video. Okay, that's it. Thanks. Bye.